Traders, good morning. It's Scott. Welcome to the Tradenet Trade Room. Welcome to a wonderful Tuesday, January 14th, almost sneaking up on the middle of the month. Got 31 days in this month of January 2020. Great to be with everybody this morning. Looking forward to trading with you all here on a wonderful Tuesday. Welcome to everybody here in the room. Welcome to everybody on social media this morning, joining us from the outside looking in. Welcome to everybody on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, StockTwits. Welcome to everybody out there. We have thousands of people join us each day on social media, and we look forward to having you. And if you want to make that switch, if you want to come into this room live, well, we've got a special day today because Meir is celebrating his birthday today, and we've got a 24-hour sale around his birthday that is just for today. If you want to come into this room, click on the link that Clifton will have here on social media and in the room. It's a great time to be with us. Great sale for the day. And hey, it is all about Meir's birthday today. Hopefully he will have a great day being able to celebrate. I saw the birthday gift that he bought himself the other day. Wonderful time and a great trading day today. Looking forward to trading. Looking forward to going for day number 7 now. 5 straight days last week. Nice trading day yesterday. Meir got us off to a wonderful start yesterday, and we just took it from there. A great trading day yesterday, and that's 6 days in a row. Today will be number 7. If I could sneak out a profitable green day, the streak will continue. I'm looking forward to doing that. I'm looking forward to being with you today all day. We take the day and we break it down into 3 special segments. We've got the morning session, which we're in right now. We've got the lunch session, and we've got the afternoon session. And I will be touching you in each one of those sessions here and trading with you all during the time that's allotted. We've got the morning session. Meir and I take this session together. Michael Orevi takes the lunch session. He'll be joined with Amir Barak today, and then into the afternoon session. I'll be trading into the close today, and Michael will come back and join me for the afternoon session. We appreciate you taking the time to be with us. We know that you have choices out there to make on which rooms to be part of. And I got to tell you, we're happy that you chose to be part of our room. We're looking forward to trading with you. We've got an analyst here each and every day that walks you through the day, tries to expound on their knowledge and train you as we go forward into each trading day. Well, today is no different than any others. We're starting off, though, a little bit mixed with the futures. We'll cover that, get you dialed in with some stocks, and also cover Meir Barak's birthday today and the birthday sale that we've got going on for 24 hours. Hey, traders, let's start with Asia in the overnight session. We had a mixed market there. The Nikkei was up 175. Shanghai and China down 9. And the Hong Kong Hang Seng down 69.80, down 0.24%. Shanghai up 8.75 or 0.28%. And the Nikkei down just under 175, 174.60, up 0.73. So it was plus 174.6. If you look at Europe, in the session that's going on right now, we got the German DAX up 1.77 points, up 0.01%, really flat. FTSE in the UK up 10.12, up 0.13%, and the CAC 40, the only one that's down 2.54 points, down 0.04%. So everything's really flat. If you look at it, we've got 3 markets up, 3 markets down, really kind of even when we look at Asia and Europe. And our futures here this morning, not much to really even talk about. Dow futures up 7, S&P futures down 2.5 points, NASDAQ futures down 4 points. So we are really flat this morning. Oil's making a small rebound here, up 45 cents or 0.77% higher. Gold down 6.2999 points or 0.4063% lower. Also, we've got a couple of things in the hopper today. We've got earnings joining us here. J.P. Morgan, Citigroup, to name a few this morning. The banks have reported. Wells Fargo, we'll be looking at those. Citigroup had a nice beat this morning, and that's really about it. It's the start of earnings season. It's the start of more volatility in the marketplace, and it is the start of hopefully a great profitable week here in the Tradenet trading room. Again, we've got the sale going on with Meir. We'll talk a little bit more about that here in just a moment. But let's take the time to say good morning to everybody here in the room. We'll get that going, and then we will then transition and start taking a look at some of these stocks and get everybody checked in, get everybody focused on the right stocks this morning. So here we go. Hey, Victor, good morning to you. Good morning. Yuba Sankar, good to see you here this morning. Absolutely. Miracle, good morning. Mark, good morning to you. Mark N. Walletta, good morning. And Goldfinger, good morning to you. Luke, what do you say? Good morning to you. Young Shane, good morning. And John B., good morning. Boris, good morning to you. Buenos dias, and good morning, and good to see you here in the trading room. Traders, if you are thinking about listening to or conversing in Spanish, we have a Spanish trading room inside our room here. It's the Espanol chat. It's right next to the general chat tab. It's right here. And Boris does it every day. He translates the room from English to Spanish and also posts his picks and his trades throughout the day. A great, great room to be with us each and every day. Javier, good morning to you. Tony, good morning. Farzad, good morning to you. Good to see you here this morning. Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. John B., good morning to you. Good morning, Jonathan. Sharif, good morning to you. Hey, H.E., good morning to you. Katika, good morning. Good to see you here this morning. Gert, good morning to you. Yep, good morning. Barak, Itai, yep, good morning to you. Good morning, Youssef. Good morning, Farzad. Good morning, Dimitri. Coco, what do you say? Good morning to you. Good morning. Enda, good morning. And Thanawat, good morning to you. Chris, good morning, and thank you so much. Timmy Varga, good morning. Good to see you here this morning here in the trading room. Roland, good morning. And Francisco Javier, good morning to you. Good to see you here in the room this morning. Carlos, good morning. Guten Morgen, Roland. Good to see you here this morning. Jeff R., good morning. Let's have a great day today. We'll keep the streak alive, hopefully. Yep, Guten Morgen, Roland. Jaya, good morning to you. Yes. Diego, good morning. Buenos dias to you. George C., ¿cómo está? George C., good morning to you. Yep, Tony, good morning. Sander, Sam, good morning to you. Amir G., good morning. And great morning, Giovanni. Good to see you here this morning. Florbert, good morning. Dawn, good morning to you. Andres, good morning. Absolutely. Let's have a great day today. Boker Tov, Danny, good afternoon to you, my friend. Bjorn, good morning to you. Jonathan Alexander, good morning. Yassine, good morning to you. Beltis, good morning. And Jamie, good morning to you. Bjorn, good morning. And Brandon N., good morning to you. Rocky, what do you say this morning? Ernesto, good morning. And Aggie, good to have you here in the room. Robert C., good morning. And thank you guys and ladies so much. We've had a great, great morning so far. Good morning, Alan. And we are celebrating Meir's birthday today. Today is his birthday, and we're going to have for 24 hours only the packages here, the programs, the intro program at $399, student for $2,700, expert $5,400, and the pro program $8,100. If you want to take advantage of this, come in on a birthday sale. Today's the day to do it. Clifton will have the link. We'll be talking about it repeatedly today throughout the day, and it's a great sale. Hey, let's take a look at some stocks this morning as well. JP Morgan, decent earnings this morning. Wells Fargo, not so much. That's going to be on the downside. DAL just past 62. This is the one stock that I like this morning to the long side. This is going to be a DAL long over 62. We'll see if this stock pulls back here this morning. Again, the market's kind of flat as we start the day, but that's not going to hold us up from having a great day. We're just going to pick and choose, get the right stocks, and deliver the trades as we know how to do each and every day. Wells Fargo today down underneath 50.50. This stock here, we'll see if this stock moves up a little bit with the market, but WFC short under 50.50. We're on that mark right now. It needs to move up a little bit before we get this trade going. And then the JP Morgan trade is going to be my long for the day. This stock right here, JP Morgan, very nice earnings. We're going to take it long over 138.50 this morning. Okay, we are set to go, set to get this day started. We've got Danny Schwartz in the house. Danny's one of our analysts here in the room. Good morning to you, or good afternoon, Danny. Michael Arevi is here this morning. Michael's my trading partner in the afternoon session. He also takes over for the lunch session. Michael does a great job in training and trading each and every day. Gabe and Clifton are here, our Tradenet support team. If you need anything to do with either your platform or Tradenet support, these two are a wealth of knowledge. Just give them a private message. They'll be able to get back to you just as soon as possible. Take care of any of your needs. Also direct you in the right way to get you signed up for the birthday discount today, if that's what you choose to do. Amir Barak is here. You'll hear from Amir at 11:30 today. Aggie LaFleur has joined us too, one of our other analysts. Good to have you here, Aggie, who's posted her trades this morning, her watch list actually. We've got Corey Keller and Timmy Varga here. Corey Keller, one of our account managers, and Timmy, our customer success manager. If you want to talk and sign up, or any questions regarding Meir's birthday sale today, all you have to do is click on either Timmy's name or Corey's name. They'll be able to help you out, get you taken care of. And then Boris Aguiar is here. Boris is our Spanish analyst here in the trading room. Traders, we get started in about 4 minutes here. And again, one more time here, touting Meir's birthday sale. It is his birthday today. We're celebrating with some discounts here, giving away a couple of presents to everybody here in the room that so chooses to link themselves up and move forward with us here in the trading room, and all of the training that comes with the programs. Let us not forget, we do have mentoring this week. It is on Thursday, and I am leading that class Thursday at 3:15. Excited to do that here. My first class of the year. Meir taught one last week. I've got this week. We've got Amir coming up and Aggie with our mentoring schedule. We rotate once every 4 weeks, all of us, and you get the best and the brightest of all worlds here going forward. Hey, let's talk a little bit about some other stocks this morning. Tesla up over $540. Unbelievable move here. That stock is approaching $550 now. And also, we wanted to, hey, Don, good morning. Also wanted to take a look at BSX for a short this morning. Let me take a look at BSX. Had a question about that. BSX looks great. No volume yet, but definitely a stock that we could look out for. BSX this morning looking very good. Thank you, HE. But that volume should come in here as we get this day started. Okay? All right. We get started here in less than 3 minutes, just 2.5 minutes before this day starts. We'll get Meir in here. Meir and I will be trading this morning session together. He's had a great day yesterday. It's his birthday today. Let's hope that he has a great birthday here by making a positive green impact here on his trading today. No pressure at all, right? Just want to have a great birthday, and hopefully he does the same thing as we did yesterday. We got out of the gate yesterday very quickly, very green, and ended up green for the day. And I'm excited that that has happened here. I'm excited that we've got an opportunity to do that today. I'm looking for day number 7 in a row. All 5 days last week green, yesterday a green day, and today hopefully will be no different at all. So looking forward to that, and looking forward to being with everybody here throughout the day. All right, we are ready to rock and roll here. Got less than 2 minutes now to go. And again, I am dialed in here, this JP Morgan trade to the upside. I like when this stock pulls down like this. This gives us a better opportunity. Hopefully this stock stays positive and green throughout the morning time here. And we're just able to catch it before it starts the day. Okay, let's get ready to rumble here today. Wells Fargo looking down, JP Morgan looking up. We'll see how that works as we get this day going here in just a few minutes. Meir will join me. We'll get the day kicked off. We'll get the birthday sale in the bag, and we are ready to go. Let's make sure we wish Meir a happy birthday as we get going here. As he joins us, he'll get his charts up, ready to rock and roll, and then we will be on our way with a Tuesday here in the Tradenet training room. Again, we're going to go all week long. We've got training on Thursday, and here comes the birthday boy right now. Happy birthday, my friend. Good afternoon to you. All right. You got a birthday sale going on too. You know that, right? You don't even want the presents. You're giving away the presents, right? Exactly. Hey, Meir, here come the charts for you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you all. Appreciate that.
All right.
Okay, market just about to open. 10 seconds.
And traders, here's the open of the market this morning.
There we go.
Okay, watching DAL as well here this morning. We've got lots to choose from. Market going to have a small bias to the upside as we start in on this Tuesday.
Tesla's shooting higher, so is Beyond. Watching BSX, which is down 6%, WFC down 3%. Both of them are looking interesting. You can start thinking about WFC if it comes under 50.30. Which is down. And I'm short.
I'm going to post JPM here over 138.25. JPM long 138.25 on JP Morgan.
WFC stop is going to be 50.51, so we're not risking much, like 20 cents. I missed BSX. Ooh, this could have been nice. Getting ready for a partial in WFC. It's already at my partial zone. Any pullback now? Any sign of a pullback? Any 3-cent pullback, traders?
Watch it break that
like
$50 mark here.
Now, took my partial in WFC. Very small winner. Very, very small winner.
Partial point on JPM is going to be 138.60. 138.60.
Some reason BSX is moving higher. Could be shorted under 42.35 in case it comes down.
There's our 60 on JP Morgan. I'm out of JP Morgan. 3/4 of the trade out JPM. We'll let the rest ride here. Nice opening trade. Green, green, and green. Okay. Back at it for a Monday. Or Tuesday, sorry. GFC looks like it wants to come under 50.
And 5.45.
Danny?
Watch Tesla. Tesla stop's going to be like 4 points. Be real careful about this one. WFC, good. Under the lows.
There goes JPM. Huge move now, past 139. There we go. Beautiful. Gonna let another 100 shares here go. JP Morgan. 200 shares left on JPM. Nice opening trade.
Nice one, Scott.
DAL. Yep, thank you. DAL long over 6150 traders. Airline stock, DAL.
Long WFC. New entry to BSX could be under 52.50. Looks to me more like it wants to move higher. I don't care. I mean, just in case it comes down, I'll be interested. I don't think Tesla wants to trigger. And you missed it. Oh, I wanted Baidu. BSX is close.
BFC now under $50 here. A new entry on DAL, 61.25 here. 61.25 with a 25-cent stop loss here. I'll post it. DAL long 61.25.
I'm short BSX. Actually, I'm not sure it triggered. Going to cover
WFC
some
looking
more.
good, man.
Yeah, about to cover some more here. covering now. I'm short BSX. Wanted Baidu, missed this one. Missed Baidu. Could add to BSX under 4240, which was my original planned entry. Watch Tesla for a possible pullback. Watch MU for a possible long. With MU is not a big mover. BSX not doing so good. Has to be stopped over the highs. 42.82. LK is looking good for long. I'm going to go long LK over 48.40. I'm long now, so ready to time to
And DAL, $62. $62 on DAL would be my first partial.
Posted LK right now, it's at my entry point. I'm long. Okay. Stop is going to be under 48.80. So 47.80. Actually, I'm going to stop it at the 48. I'm not going to give it any space. I'm thinking about giving it some more space. Watch Tesla for a long over 540.
Wow, JPM. Just 100 shares left on JPM now, traders.
Market direction so far unknown. We're going kind of sideways. BSX holding. LK is holding. I'm going to stop WFC remaining quantity at 50.42. Like the fact that Tesla was close to my entry point and bounced down. It candle in the market's a bit dangerous now. BSX is holding. WFC is out. LK, if it comes down on the 48, which is now I'm out.
Okay, traders, last 100 shares.
Out with a loss.
Last 100 shares of JP Morgan. I'm done with the trade. Just holding on to DAL now. Two nice trades to start the day. Okay, perfect timing on JPM to come out at the top, traders. Done with this trade here, just holding on to the DAL trade now. That's it.
BSX is alive. It seems like Tesla could trigger soon over 540. Again, wouldn't mind adding under 42.40 to BSX. Especially if it picks direction here. Thinking about buy the short. I'm going to take buy the short now. What? What's happened? Wrong order. Wrong order. Wrong order. No, I mean, the 140.40 Baidu. Listing it. Tesla is approaching. My new entry point is over 539 in Tesla. Over 539, notice I posted. Actually got it way over 539, I'm in.
Here's, I'm going to short BSX here. BSX coming up on 42.50. Short BSX 42.50.
What's going on with Baidu here? Wouldn't mind adding a bit to Tesla if I get a good price. Okay, maybe I'm gonna get a good price here. Problem is the market unknown. Adding a bit to Tesla. Come on, BSX. Come on, BSX. Baidu spiked up and now looks like it may be coming down again. Market direction unknown, but we're holding. We try to move lower and failed, which is a good sign. Should help Tesla. Good, Baidu is back to the lows. Close to the lows. BSX is holding here. Tesla good, very good. About to add to BSX under 42.40.
BSX looking great now, traders.
Biden low, cool. Oh, Biden's moving. Biden's moving. Biden's moving. Getting ready for a partial in Biden.
Watching DAL for the partial here at 62.
I'd like to take this spike down. Oh, look at Tesla, look at Tesla. Don't want to see any bounce in Baidu. I do. Go take my partial. Come on, Baidu. One more push. One more. Ooh, I missed my opportunity. I missed my opportunity, but I'm not going to miss my opportunity here. Tesla. I missed that too. Yeah, come on, Tesla, move a bit farther now. I wanted to take something when it was right there at the highs. So I missed both. I missed Baidu, I missed Tesla's partial. And BSX just keeps holding here and being annoying. Hopefully this missing both of them gonna earn me more money. I mean, sometimes they could make another move. They should. Both of them are trending. Good. Here comes Tesla. Having a huge winner here in Tesla. Okay, taking now. Look. Beautiful. Okay. Took my partial in Tesla. Come on, Baidu. Come on, Baidu. I'd like to lower my size in BSX if it moves over 42.70. I'm going to lower half size in BSX over 42.70 at a loss. Hopefully it's not going to get there. Turns out to be my Tesla partial was right on time. Right on time. Come on, Baidu. And I'm still interested in adding under 42.40 to BSX. Added. Now let's see if it can move. This should be the time. Just moved out of the range. Baidu also looking good. I missed my opportunity in Baidu earlier. Hoping to get a second chance here at the low somewhere. Come on, BSX. Should be your time. It should be your time. Come on, BSX. And come on, Baidu. And the market is at the lows. Seems like we're picking direction and it's down. So remaining quantity in Tesla will be stopped under, well, actually right now. Out of Tesla. And Baidu, and Baidu, and Baidu. About to take my partial, both of them are looking great. Baidu and BSX about to take my partial. Taking now in Baidu. About to take in BSX. Any sign of a pullback, like if it moves over 42.25. It's not moving over 42.25, it's coming down. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, one more push. Took BSX, shouldn't have taken, of course, because it did not move over 42.25. I thought for a second that it did, but it did not. How am I doing today? Very good. That was a busy morning, Scott. That was a busy morning.
Yeah, a great morning. Way to start off the week. 2 winning days in a row now. This is going to be day number 7 in a row for myself, and the streak continues. DAL looking at high of the day. BSX looking at low of the day. Great trading. That's all that can be said. Great trading to start the day. Awesome.
Perfect. Really perfect. How are you doing today? Green, red, Clifton, can you start up? Paul? YouTube guys, how are you doing?
I'm going to click very green here.
Yeah, me too, very green. I usually put very green traders when I'm over 2 grand and I'm over 4.5 now.
You know what? Close to 80%.
So it seems like we have...
Almost 80% of the...
Yeah, close to 80%. Yeah, perfect. It's 78%, 79% right now in green. Very nice. Okay, cool. It was a nice day. Nice, Goldfinger. First day over 2 grand. Eugene says he loves my birthday. Thanks, Eugene. I like it too. Well, market just came down on the lows. It's your bar mitzvah day trading. Nice. BSX getting close to the lows. So is Baidu. It's a shame that Tesla did not shoot over the highs. I mean, if the market could have continued higher, this could have been lovely.
A DAL about ready to take out 62, and that's where my partial is on DAL. Let's see if this stock takes that out.
Thank you, Eric. And Biden low. We've got 1 point. I'm getting ready to cover some more. Covered some more in Baidu. Beyond is halted, seriously?
Huh. Take a look at Beyond.
Why? Gosh, what happened there? Anybody knows the rules? The news, sorry?
Yeah, don't know. Traders, there's my partial on DAL. I am out 3/4 of the trade on DAL.
You never know where it's going to reopen, but you never know. You just wait patiently and should be interesting. Should be interesting to see what's going on. Anyway, markets are moving down, traders. Now we had a big upside day yesterday, not only yesterday, of course, I mean, several days. And but we're coming down rather strong right now. And the S&P is down 0.26, Nasdaq down 0.5. It's not too bad, but some real strong red candles. And this just may continue. Wonder what happened to Beyond. It's not a funny birthday, really. Well, I'm here with you guys, trading.
I'm gonna find out.
I was thinking, really, you know, Scott, should I like do something else on my birthday other than trading? And then it occurred to me, I love trading, you know, why should I look for something else? It would have ruined my day.
That's very true. You got to stick with what makes you happy. You got to stick with what you have fun at. And I feel the same way. Where else would I rather be? You know, I mean, work when work gets to be a something that's fun. You got it right. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely. And I have to say, traders, it's a lot about the community. Like if I was right now alone making money by myself, I can't say I would not be enjoying it or anything like this, but so great to be here with all of this community and to find out that almost 80% of you guys are making money today. That's just amazing. Look at Baidu.
Okay, DAL, nice. JP Morgan, I'm out of the trade, but boy, it's starting to take off now. Breaking out at the high of the day on JPM.
Beyond's open,
Yeah.
Scott.
What's the news?
Initial move is up. I don't know what's the news. Really wonder what happened there. Well, we could, if it comes down, take it for a short ride. I don't know what's the news, but it came down before, and then it was halted. Now it's popping up. Going long would be too dangerous unless it just continues and continues. Let's say it pulls back down now and then moves higher. That could be interesting. Right now, going long would be extremely dangerous. But for example, if it comes down under 120 or even 121, you could go short. I mean, logically speaking, the way you look at it right now, it's moving higher. Then theoretically, you should go long. But since trading is a little bit more complicated than this, then usually what you see is not what you get. So you see, if most people think we should go long now, actually, I'm not going to put it ways, but it's mostly, okay, let's short it. Absolutely no idea if we're reversing, Jeff. Absolutely no idea. Yes, we do have a big spike from the lows, but it doesn't mean much. I won't mind going short beyond if it comes under 122. I'm going to post it, but I still need to wait and see how it comes down. Assuming it's going to come down, I'm not sure. If BSX is going to move over 40 to 65, I'll stop it. The market spiked up from the lows, but again, this could be just a pullback on the way down. Of course, this could change. I wish I knew the news on Beyond. No, I don't think so, Danny. I think BSX is kind of dead. I just tightened my stop there, and I don't think it's going to make another leg down. Well, if it is, it's going to be just luck, and I'm not interested in trading that. Buy the new low, 2 points. And is that the first failure here in Beyond moving higher? Could go short under 125 and bet on this, but extremely dangerous. And no, looks like it's moving higher. Well, not sure. Not sure at all.
Yeah, Beyond's still trying to move higher.
I'm sensing something is coming with is Beyond. Oh. We're going to take a short under 125 traders. Careful one. We'll stop over the recent high. Still Beyond. Short Beyond. Beyond's moving.
Looking great now.
One point. One and a half. Could have taken the 1.5, chose not to. Back to 1.5 points and more. Two and a half. Can take the hit. Took the partial. My birthday is working good so far.
Wow, beyond. Wow, wow, wow.
Tell you guys, if it's too easy, then it's gonna come down. So who took beyond with me? Yeah, too risky, mate. I totally agree. Very risky. But I'm feeling cheerful, with my birthday and everything, so I took this trade. Plus, I'm green, so I just became more green, or actually much more green. Nice. INMD, Ali. Let's see. Well, I'll tell you what, it crashed down at the beginning of the trading session today, and then it came up, and after a crash like this, I wonder if it's going to continue down. It was a big spike down, and I have no idea. I just have no idea where it's going. It's the truth. And the market is trying to get back to the highest, traders. The market is trying to get higher. So maybe shorting is not the greatest idea right now. Unless it's beyond. And beyond keeps coming.
Wow, beyond's not done here. Looking at that 120 maybe.
Wouldn't be surprised if it comes down and close the gap, Scott. But as if you watch the way Beyond came down before it was halted, which is some kind of news which I don't know, then it's more likely that it's something that most people don't like rather than do like. So it came down, and after it was halted, it moved higher. Initial move was up, but that was likely to get failed. And it did fail so far. May not soon. I don't know.
ESX still turning around here. Traders, anything under $62 now on DAL, and I'll come out of this trade. I've been in it for a little while now.
If Beyond will move over 126, I'll close it. It keeps coming down, I'm fine with it, but if it starts going sideways and tries to move over 126, I'm not interested. Welcome, Chris. Let's take a look at STC. You know, it is trending high right now, but it's all over the place. Up, down under the lows. Now trying to move higher. I wouldn't trust it. Definitely wouldn't trust it. I don't see any trend there. Let's see pins. Pins trending higher nicely, but I don't see any technical formation there to go long. Maybe just too late. Yeah, S&P is just going sideways. BSX, I wouldn't trust it anymore. No. Well, it is reaching the lows now, and I'm thinking I should reduce some more size rather than trust it to continue lower. Which I'm about to do. reduced. Beyond is very close to my stop, or 126. Beyond's out. And I'm out for the day. Traders, I'm done for the day. And this is what I was doing today, which is very good for my birthday. That's one of my birthday presents today, I guess. And here it is. Over $2,000 in Baidu, BSX $1,000, beyond $7,600. I took some chance there, but I really like this trade. Unpleasant loser in LK, wonderful winner in Tesla. Was much better until Tesla came down. WFC, a very, very small winner. I still have BSX riding and Baidu riding with 100 shares both. I'm up over 12 grand for the day. And BSX just surprised me and came down on the lows. But again, I wouldn't trust it to continue much lower. So I really am having a very, very good day. Yes, and there is a link there that Clifton just posted, which is a birthday promotion that our sales guys decided to come out with. A surprise. I didn't know it was coming, but here it is. So, yeah, that's a perfect birthday present for me. Did I get some more birthday presents, if you wonder what? Do you want to see my other birthday presents? Well, one of them is a new neighbor that I have here. We're just 3 neighbors in the building. It's a small building which which has 3 different neighbors, and my next door neighbor is this lady. So she seems to be like a very famous. It's one of my birthday presents. I don't know if you know her, but she was the girlfriend of Leonardo DiCaprio and stuff like that. So that's one of them. I won't get into names here. I don't want. I mean, she's famous. Yeah, that's just one of them. And but the one I really like, and that's the one I bought for myself. It's my main birthday present. That's the one I just got now. But well, since it takes like 2 weeks apparently in Berlin to register a car for a new owner, I can only look at it, but I cannot drive it. So it will take 2 more weeks to get it. Yeah, it's really nice. It's beautiful. I had a test drive, but not more than this. Couldn't get it. So as you can see, I'm having a nice birthday, enjoying my presents and my trading session. I was afraid this trading session would not look as good as it is, but could have happened on my birthday. I could have lost some money, but turned out to be a perfect day, really, just exceptionally perfect. Not my wife, Maria. I actually closed the doors so my wife doesn't hear what I just said. I haven't visited Belgium for a while, Gert. Well, Sure. Okay, traders, do enjoy it. Have fun and enjoy the rest of your trading day. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, traders.
May you have a great birthday night, my friend, and we'll see you tomorrow. Awesome trading today.
Thanks.
Just perfect. Just perfect. Okay. Let me switch over here to my screen. We'll continue on. I've had an equally, not as much, but an equally great day of trading here this morning. Meir off to the races here on his birthday. Really, really good performance now, and good trading session here this morning. The streak continues. Very nice overall day as we get into the late morning here now. And with Beyond looking great. I should put the Beyond trade down in here. Those of you that took it on the short side. There you go. Okay, perfect. All right, going to take a look around here. A couple more stocks I want to look at. BSX was a nice trade, though. I'm finished with that trade. All right. Okay, now just looking for another trade here as we get going here into the mid-morning session here. JPM looking good. Now, let's see the BSX trade. BSX, yes, BSX. Not looking great. Okay. Boeing down to Apple closing the gap now. I like Apple at this 317 mark. That's looking pretty good. Okay, yeah, going to look at DAL for sure. Beyond just sitting here now, starting to go a little bit flat. There we go. Okay. SQ, yeah, we'll take a look at SQ. Yeah, at 69 right here, actually. Looks really good. Let's see how far DAL comes down now. Maybe take that. Yep, Apple just closed the gap now higher. Yep, DAL pulling down now. We'll see what happens here now. Just an hour into the day, got plenty of time left. Now, the only way on DAL, probably over $62. See CRWD. Take a look at CRWD. Yeah, very nicely over there. 60. Okay, coffee moving up. Apple broke out, then pulled right back down. Watching several of these here now. Yeah, JPM looking good too. This 140.50 probably could be bought. I'm watching that stock very close. Let me take a look at Goldman Sachs GS. Yeah, that breakout 246.50. 246.50 looking good. 50 cents to the upside, Alfred, 50 cents to the downside for the stop loss. Danny's taking Bubba on the short side.